Let me be honest real quick. Procrastination nearly ended my YouTube career before it even started. I had ideas, I had dreams, I had vibes, but somehow I also had Netflix, long naps, and I will do it tomorrow syndrome until one small but mighty thing changed the game for me. No, not motivation, not coffee, not motivational quotes from Instagram. I'm talking about my to-do list and trigger alarm system. Simple but powerful. Let me paint the picture. You wake up pumped. You tell yourself, today I will write that script, shoot 2 videos, maybe edit 1. It will be a productive day. Next thing, your friend texts you, bro, have you seen this series on Prime Video? And just like that, productivity don't enter comma. By 9 p.m, you are asking yourself, what exactly did I achieve today? Just vibes and good intention. This was my life for months until I got tired of being busy but not productive. See, when I say to-do list, I don't mean that vague thing where you write, film video, edit, post on YouTube. That one no dey help anybody. I'm talking about step-by-step breakdown of your entire content process. Let me show you what mine looks like. Starting with content creation checklist. Under it, I have research topic, finalize video idea, write script, shoot video, transfer files, cut footage, add B-roll, do sound design, add effect and text, color grade, export. Then under my upload checklist, I have title research, tags, description, end screen, thumbnail, schedule, publish, and it haven't end there. Under my distribution plan, I have post on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram group, blog, email list, etc. Now tell me, with this kind of breakdown, how you want to forget any step? But that's not even the best part. The real cheat code is what I call the trigger alarm. Basically, I attach alarms to each major task. Not just wake up alarm, but I have design thumbnail alarm, write script alarm, post on WhatsApp alarm. So when that alarm rings, my brain doesn't go snooze. Instead, it says, oh yeah, it's go time. Time to do thumbnail, nothing else. Because now, it's not about feeling like it. It's about following the map. Once the GPS says turn left, you turn left. Simple. I stopped relying on motivation. I started relying on structure. Let me tell you why this works so well. Motivation is like NEPA lights. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it vanishes mid-video. But structure is like inverter. It keeps you going regardless. The system saves mental energy, reduces that overwhelming feeling, gives you peace of mind, and helps you track your progress in real time. Even if I don't finish everything, I still know where I stop and what's next. No more wondering what was I supposed to do today. Everything is laid out. You just follow the plan like cruise control. Here's how to build your own version. Write out all the tasks you do from idea to upload. Don't assume anything is obvious. Even simple steps like add tags matter. Break it into categories: planning, creation, editing, uploading, distribution. Create checklists in note apps, Notion, Google Keep, whatever works for you. Set alarms for major tasks. You can use normal phone alarm, Google Calendar, or apps like TickTick or to-do list. Repeat the system for every video. Soon it becomes routine like muscle memory. Let me leave you with this. If you are struggling with procrastination, don't force motivation. Build a system. Stop waiting for inspiration to strike. Structure your workflow. Use alarm as triggers and make your to-do list your personal assistant. Because once you organize your process, your consistency will rise on its own. And before you know it, you are dropping content like a machine. Now I want to hear from you. What is that one part of your content process you always forget or delay? Drop it in the comment section below. Let's be honest and let's help each other stay on track. And if this video helped you, share it with another creator. You might just save their YouTube career. Don't forget to like, comment, and yes, subscribe if you are serious about growing with structure. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.